Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you a super easy way to type with your voice in Windows 11. Yes, you heard that right. You can talk and Windows will type it for you automatically. First, just open any app where you can type like Word like this and then Notepad or even your browser. And then next, just press Windows plus H on your keyboard like this. This will open the voice typing toolbar like this and then just simply tap on the mic button. Just start speaking and Windows will automatically convert your speech into text in real time like this. You can also say punctuations too like comma, period, or question mark like this to make your text perfectly formatted. And okay, that's it. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.